Okay, let's take a look at checkpoint number 4, I believe, on page 983 was the next one you were assigned. Yes. So let me get my whiteboard. Checkpoint number 4 wants to know the sum of the first 15 terms of this sequence. 3, 6, 9. Whoops. Let me just get that closer. 12. dot, dot, dot. So this is obviously just starting at 3, counting by 3. And it wants to know the 15th term, or the sum of the first 15 terms. I don't want to write out 15 terms. That seems like more work than necessary. So to find the 15th term, I'm going to start with this formula that we're kind of getting pretty accustomed to. It is this, n minus 1 times d. I'm going to use this to find the 15th term because I need to know the 15th term in order to do my sum formula. So the 15th term is going to be the first term, which is 3, plus n minus 1, which is 14, because my n is 15, times d, which in this case is the common difference. It's going up by 3 every time. So that's 3, which means my 15th term is going to be 42 plus 3, so 45. So now I can say, you know, dot, 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 45. That's how I know the 15th term is 45, because I use my formula from before that helps me find the nth term, essentially. So anytime you want to do the addition or the summation of a sequence, you don't need to write out all the terms. You just use that formula, the nth general form, use that to find the term you're looking for, and then we can go forward to the end. So now I'm going to find the sum of all the terms in this sequence from 3 to 45, right? You need to do that first part in order to get the second part. So let me erase this. And then we're going to recall our formula for the summation, the nth partial sum, is n over 2 times, and it's a1 plus an. And remember, just a quick recap, all this is telling us is in any sequence, the first term and the last, in any arithmetic sequence, the first term and the last term are going to add to some number here, and that will be the same sum as the second term and the term previous to that. So in this case, before this would be 42. 42 plus 6 would be 48. 3 plus 45 would be 48. It always adds up to 48, which is why we divide by 2, because the number of numbers there's half as many pairs. So in order to find the 15th partial sum, we do 15 over 2. Even though there's an odd number, it still works. The first term is 3. The 15th term is 45. This is going to give me 7.5 times 48. And that will, oh, that's okay. And that means the sum of the first 15 terms of this will be 7.5 times 48, which is going to be 360. So if you want to verify that by writing out or doing 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 24 all the way to 45, if you want to check that, you totally can. It will work. That's the formula was designed to do that easily. So there you go. We got, I think, only 1 or 2 more checkpoints to go, and you'll see those in the next 2 videos.